Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in to Stockholm University Portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Stockholm University Login. That is Stockholm University Login. You can then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link saying University Account Stockholm under Stockholm University. Scroll Accept all cookies and then scroll down. Tap on the three lines at the top right of your screen, after which you'll be able to see Login. Tap on Login. Here you'll have to enter your username along with your password and then hit Login to log into your account. If you have not activated your university account, simply hit Activate University Account, which is at the bottom of the screen. You can identify yourself with Bank ID, Freza, universityadmissions.se, or EDU ID or one-time code. You can choose your comfortable option and the option that you have and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your ID before you log in. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.